Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So I'm going to try and practice drilling and tapping. Pretty important skill to have. We do a lot of it here. So I've got the tail stock rigged up with the chuck. The tap and drill bit setup I have is for an 11/32 drill bit. So I've never done this before, so let's see how it goes. Back it out, let the chips come out. I'm just, turning this, feeding the quill. I actually think it's pushing the whole stock into the chuck. It is. Well, maybe not. Maybe not.